Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel Ayala. I am passionate about enhancing children's foundational learning and fostering youth development. On this International Day of the Girl Child, it is critical to note that educating girls is essential for empowering individuals and advancing societies. It promotes gender equality, challenges stereotypes, and contributes to economic growth through increased workforce participation. Educated girls make informed health decisions, delay early marriages and pregnancies, and these girls will actively contribute to their communities or societies. The positive impact extends to future generations as educated mothers prioritize their children's education and break the cycle of poverty and illiteracy. In essence, educating girls serves as a powerful catalyst for social progress, economic development, and the achievement of global goals. Happy International Day of the Girl Child.